Good evening, guys. Good evening. Good evening. So, you're welcome to my channel, Pathetic Be in English with Believe. So, we are seeing the dangerous signal, chapter 2. So, today, this is the last lesson. This is the last lesson on chapter 2, which is Atri Pericolo, other dangers. So, this is the last lesson. So, as you can see, the quiz, look at it here. This is the last lesson. This is the last lesson. This is the last lesson, Atri Pericolo. You can see. So this one is this chapter 3. So this is our last lesson on chapter 2. Our last lesson. So this one is the last lesson. So let's go and take the lesson. So seeing this signal that indicates Atri Pericolo, which is other danger. Atri Pericolo, other danger. So, and this other danger, just look, they can attach an integration panel. This binary de maneuver, this one, so that carries the train, binary de maneuver, maneuvering tracks. Look at the picture here. Look at the picture here. Where is it? No, sorry, let me find the, okay, look at the picture here. So this track, this binary de maneuver is a place where there is a port, where there is a port, a container port. So the train can be passing this road, where the normal road. So, and it's not indicating any train track or something, any crossing, train crossing. No. It's just a moving tracks for the train they used to carry the containers. So it's maneuvering tracks. It's what we call maneuvering tracks, the integration panel. So this one, maneuvering tracks. Why? If they attach this integration panel, it means this one. It means the section of the road that you can find ice on this very section of the road. So, and there's other dangers as well, but this one, it means ice. So the road is slippery just because of ice. Then, if they attach this integration panel, that means there can be presence of this operational machine that is bulldozering the snow, that is clearing out the snow. So this one is Máquinas Gombrinieve in Azione. This one. So look at the signal here. So they can attach it to the signal like this. Then this one, zona soggetta ad allagamento. So if they attach this integration panel, it means a zone that is subjected to flooding. Flooding, where water always used to, gather. So a zone that is subjected to flooding. So look at it here. Look at it here and look at the integration panel. So look at it here. So we take all of them one after another. So this one now, then it means incidente. It means as accident. So look at it here. So then we will see take them one after another the picture. So let's go and take the lesson first. So preannuncia corredato da un pannello integrativo. So this signal is announcing, and it can be accompanied with corredato mean they can accompany da una pannello integrativo. They can accompany this signal with an integration panel. Un pericolo verso da quello previsto. So a danger that is expected nelle altri segnali. Danger that is expected with other signals. Example, binary de maneuver. So example, maneuvering tracks in the gear in corrispondenza di stabilimento industriale. So example, the maneuvering tracks close to an industry. So it's close to an industry. Possibilità di formazione di ghiaccio sulla strada. So the possibility of ice that have formed on the road. To the integration panel, these are the list of things they are measuring now. Máquinas Gombrinieve al lavoro. So this is a operational machine that they use to bulldozer the ice. So in action, it's working at work. So all these are the integration panels. Zona soggetta allagamento. So a zone that is subjected to flooding. Then incidente. So a zone that accident has occurred. So they can attach an integration panel to this signal that shows incidente, which is a zone that accident occurred. Then code where there is intense traffic and there is queue of vehicles. Auto Auto-carry irrelentamento. So when the trailer they used to carry goods, they are in slow movement. They are moving very slow. Poi essere usato senza panele integrativo, and this signal can also be used without integration panel. Poi essere usato senza panele integrativo per indicare un pericolo generico. So this signal can also be used without an integration panel. Per indicare un pericolo, to indicate a danger. Generico, that can indicate a group of danger. Generico means group. A group of danger in caso di improvvisa emergenza, in case of a temporary emergency. So they can decide to attach all this measured list integration panel. They can decide to attach them to this very signal. Also, this signal can also be alone without any integration panel, and it can indicate a generic danger, which is a group of danger, a temporary danger for a temporary emergency. Then let's take the picture one after another. So the first picture, possibility of the formation in the ghiaccio sulla strada. So the possibility of formation of ice on the road. So with this very signal, this integration panels, look at the signal, the integration panel, the blue one is attached to the signal. So it's because of there is ice on the road. Then look at this one. If this integration panel is added to this very signal, it means machinas globineva al lavoro. So this operational machine is at work. Then if this one now is this one, this one is very clear here. This one, it means zona soggetto allagamento, a zone that is subjected to flooding. So this signal means a zone that is subjected to flooding in case of a strong rain. Then this one, coda ovvero. So that is to say the possibility of finding vehicles that are stopped in a very long queue. So with this very one, that means vehicles are moving very slowly in a queue. Then this one, auto-carry rallentamento. So trucks slowing down, or in lento movimento, or in a very slow movement. So trucks slowing down, this signal. So they can attach this very integration panel to this signal. Then pericolo generico, so a group of danger in caso improvvisa. So a group of danger, a temporary danger or emergency. Emergency. So all this now I just mentioned, they are all this integration panel that they can attach to this signal. So veicolo incidente sulla carreggiata, so accident vehicle on the carriageway. So they can attach this integration panel that show incident, that show accident. So they can attach it to this very signal as well. Che rendono difficoltà il passaggio. Just because of the accident that occurs on the road, it will render the road difficult. It will render the road it will be very difficult for the drivers to to pass. So we have already done all the pictures. So then bisogna usare prudenza. So we need to use caution. A moderare la velocità, and moderate the velocity. Perché avvicino un pericolo, because we are getting close to a danger. So I just done with the lesson on artery pericolo, other danger. So I will be going straight to the question and answer, because I don't want to make the last lesson on chapter 2 too long, so that it will be very comfortable to watch. So let's move straight to the question and answer. So look at the signal here. Look at the signal. Segnale di artery pericolo. So the signal of other danger. So our first question. Il segnale raffigurato, this sign figure, pronuncia un pericolo. So this sign figure is announcing a danger, diverso delle quale. So apart from which, per cui sono previsti specific segnali. So which that is expected on the specific signal. So this very signal is announcing the where it is expected, where they place it, that is on the type of danger they place it. So, and it's true. Number 2, il segnale raffigurato, this sign figure, può essere usato senza panelli integrativo. So this signal can be used without any integration panel. Per indicare un pericolo, to indicate a danger. Generico in caso di emergenza, to indicate a group of danger in case of emergency, and it's true. Number 3. Il segnale raffigurato di sign figure pronuncia una salita rapida. So this sign figure is announcing a uphill. No, it's false. No, it's false. Number 4. Il segnale raffigurato di sign figure pronuncia un tratto di strada. This sign figure is announcing the station of the road in cattivo stato, in station of the road in a bad state, or con pavimentazione irregolare, or with the pavement irregular. No, it's false. Number 5. Il segnale raffigurato di sign figure pronuncia che bisogna proseguire diritto. So this sign figure is announcing that we need to go straight or proceed straight. No, it's false. Number 6. Il segnale raffigurato di sign figure pronuncia che bisogna usare prudenza. So this sign figure is announcing that we need to use caution. Perché è vicino un pericolo. So this sign figure is announcing that we need to use a greater caution because we are close to a danger, and it's true. So everything is very, very clear. Everything is clear. So there are other questions as well. So let's go and take them. So this first question, let's take this one. Let's take this one. And you know the signal as well, because now they attach this integration panel to it, and you know this integration panel is ICE, Ghiaccio, so you know what it means. So let's go to the question. Il segnale A, so the A signal, which is the segnale di atri pericolo, integra con il panello B. So if it is integrated by this very B integration panel, pronuncia la presenza di formazione del ghiaccio. So it's announcing the possibility of the formation of a ice, and it's true. And it's true. And it's true. It's true. So let's check on that one. So you can always take the video, pause, understand, and before you continue. So let's take this one. You know this integration panel already. Binary di manovra. So manovra tracks. So the those train, they used to carry this container, so they can be crossing the road. They can be moving around crossing the road. So it does not indicate any passenger arrival, any train crossing or anything. So let's enter the lesson. The question. Il segnale A, so the A signal, integra con il panel B. So if it is attached to the B panel, pronuncia un passaggio a livello senza barriere. So it is announcing a train crossing without barriers. Is false. False. Number 2. Il segnale A, so the A signal, integrato con panello B. So if it is attached to the B signal, pronuncia la presenza di binari di manovra. So is announcing the presence of maneuvering tracks in correspond the stabilimento industriale in next to the industry where there is a container port, and it's true. It's true. So you can see everything is very, very clear. Everything is clear. You can watch the video, take the video slow and steady, understand before you continue. So let's go to the next one. You know this integration panel already. This integration panel, máquinas gombriniere in action. So the operational machine they use to bulldozer the snow in action. So we already know what it means. So let's answer the question. Il segnale A integra con il panello B. So if this A is attached to B, pronuncia la possibilità presenza di máquinas gombriniere a lavoro sulla strada. Yes. So it's the possibility of the presence of the máquinas gombriniere at work on the road, and it's true. So let's continue and see if there's other one. So there's other one. We already know this one. This is a integration panel. So let's answer it. Il segnale A, so the A signal, integra con il panello B. So if it's attached to the B, pronuncia la presenza di veicolo militare in manovra. So it's announcing the presence of the military vehicle in action. In action. No, it's false. It's false. These people, they like confusion. So let's go and check if there's other ones. So we are done. So we are done with the chapter 2. So here now is segnale di divieto, which is the forbidden signal. Segnale di divieto, the forbidden signal, the prohibition signal. So when next we will be meeting again, we will be entering chapter 3. So we have just done with the chapter 2. So guys, please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you, and see you when I will be doing chapter 3 lesson. When we entering chapter 3 again. So I'm very happy that we conclude chapter 2 today. It's not easy But thank God we have already done it. Thank God. It's not easy, no time. Some of the video, I try to make some of the video, but just because of noise, the children, very, 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 very stressful. And I'm very happy. I'm very glad to finish chapter 2. So when else we will be meeting again, I will start the chapter 3. So guys, don't forget, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you and see you guys. Bye.